In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your address without PIN step by step. This video will be very short but to the point, so keep it here. Welcome back, guys. So I want to welcome all of you to this channel. Thank you so much for clicking here. And if you're here for the first time, my name is Jackie. So I'll be sharing my screen to show you step by step how you can verify your address without PIN, or how you can activate your AdSense account without PIN so that you start getting your money, right? And talking of getting your money or getting paid on YouTube, that is monetizing your videos. Maybe you would want to know more about monetizing videos, about AdSense account, the requirement, all this stuff of getting paid on YouTube. I made a video about the same topics. So if you haven't watched it, I will put the link here. You can click here and understand all about monetizing videos, requirement, AdSense account, all of that stuff, so that when you watch this video today, how to verify your address without PIN, then you will get the whole picture, because it is kind of continuation from that video. So if you watch it, it will be good for you. So without wasting time, let's dive in our today's video. So log into your AdSense account, and on top you can see your payments are currently on hold because you haven't verified address. And on top right you can see learn more. Click that. Okay, then down there scroll and click on PIN troubleshooter. There is problems with PIN and PIN troubleshooter. Click that, PIN troubleshooter. Then there are some questions. Are your earnings greater than threshold? Yes. Have you received your PIN? No. That's why we are here. Click on no. Then have you requested 3 pins? Yes, because you must request for 3 pins. Then click on contact us. So you are redirected to this page. There is a form you're supposed to fill, and name, contact, email address, and your AdSense publisher ID. You are supposed to fill that up. And to get your publisher ID, just click on account, go back, click on account there, just like so, and then okay, it is displayed. Then you must upload a document supporting your ID and then submit and wait for approval. Let's call it a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Like this video, share it, and in comment section let me know your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and make sure your bell icon is on so that you get notified every time I publish another video. Until we meet in the next video, it's bye bye for now. Much love from me.